If your foundation turns cakey after a few hours, don't wipe it off. Fix it in seconds. Cakey texture usually happens from dryness, too much powder or rubbing. Rule 1. Stop rubbing your face. We're only pressing from now on. Quick prep. Grab a setting spray or face mist and a clean sponge. Lightly mist the area. You want it slightly damp, never dripping. Use a clean sponge, slightly damp. No brush for this step. Now press tap tap tap, right on the cakey spots. Focus on the nose and cheeks. 6 to 8 gentle presses. If it's still patchy, add the tiniest dot of foundation only where needed. Press again to melt it into the skin. Do not swipe. Now set it with a whisper of powder, only the T-zone. Too much powder is what makes it look heavy. Keep it minimal. Finish with setting spray for a fresh, skin-like finish. One last press with the sponge. This makes it look airbrushed, not dusty. Look at that smooth, seamless, and the cakey texture is gone. Bonus tip: if you're dry, use a hydrating mist, not mask spray. If you're oily, blot first, then press down, add more powder. Mist, press, set. That's it. Want the under eye version next? Tell me under eye in the comments. Like, subscribe, and save this, so you can fix it anytime.